So this is AIS that I was talking about. So it's a 7-page form, and जो इसमें clients doing a capital gain transaction, purchase and sale of shares, mutual funds, it gets compiled by the income tax department in this form itself. And if you can see, so this is page number 4, 5, 6, 7. This information is going to 4 pages, and this sheet is not very friendly. इसको Excel में convert करना या it's a very difficult task. It takes a lot of time. So this is the sheet, and the information is to be compiled in this sheet. What I have done is I have created an AIS capital gain compiler. All you need to do is just load this AIS over here and press enter, and it will take a couple of minutes. और यहीं पे वो sheet जो है ब्रेकअप पूरा एक्सेल में आ जाएगा.
Gautam sir, while it is doing the job, how much time would it take you to do it on every return that you would get?
So जैसे कि ये 3 पेज थे, इसको करने में कम से कम half an hour to 45 minutes minimum my team member will take.
And when you're spending 45 minutes, there could also be a human error.
Absolutely.
So it takes any tabular form data or?
नहीं, this is specifically for this form AIS. यही लोड करना है, और इसमें जो भी कैपिटल गेन ट्रांजैक्शंस होंगी शेयर्स म्यूचुअल फंड्स की, वो इस एक्सेल शीट में कंपाइल कर देगा एवरी सिंगल एंट्री वाइज.
But if somebody is not going for the capital gain, if say TDS को देखना है तो?
नहीं,
This is exclusively for solving this problem of compilation of this Excel, this capital gain sheet. That's it.
We'll make another custom GPT.
तो वो जो आप कह रहे हो उसके लिए जो मैं the other exercise that I was doing was making a draft computation wherein all the incomes are taken care of, की salary income, income from other sources, house property income, तो वो उसमें compile होगी. So this is exclusively for this purpose only.
But ये अगर Excel में आ जाता तो very good, क्योंकि कई बार कॉपी करने में वो आता नहीं है.
हाँ, नहीं आता वो. It's very challenging.
Sir, what else have you built in addition to this custom GPT, please?
Pardon?
और क्या बनाया आज आपने?
तो मैंने वही जो मैं बता रहा हूँ, एक ड्राफ्ट कंप्यूटेशन बना रहा था जो भी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है.
अच्छा.
तो बेसिकली देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ एसएससीज, इंडिविजुअल, एचयूएफ,
Right.
company, partnership firm, LLP. So there are 5 sources of income: salary, house property, business income, capital gain, and income from other sources. So 2 information तो हमें AI से मिल जाती है: income from other sources and capital gain regarding shares and mutual fund transactions. बाकी information या तो last year के हिसाब से we ask the client, और the client just shares his information. तो हम सारी compile करके एक statement बनाते हैं, and then we give it to staff for preparing the return in the software. So again office में वो 2-3 लोग ही हैं जो ये काम करते हैं, and it doesn't go to anybody else.
Right.
So with this, the draft computation of income जो मैं बना रहा हूँ, compiler, I can ask any one of my team members to just follow the instructions, given the information, और draft computation बन जाएगा for further action.
And that would save you how much time, sir?
A lot of time. मैं तो फ्री हो गया, मुझे बनाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. मैंने वेट कर लिया, मैंने ही क्रिएट किया है, so I know about it.
And what is the sheer number of tools you think you can build with whatever you've picked up in the last couple of days?
Whatever work we do on our office, we can use AI to automate it.
Almost everything.
Everything. Routine भी irrespective, routine नहीं भी हो, मतलब TDS returns, income tax return, GST returns, complicated, you know, like hotels, उनकी जो monthly return जाती है GST1 and GST3B, the data is humongous.
Right.
And उसको मतलब 4th से लेके 20th, मतलब हमें 15 दिन लगते हैं एक क्लाइंट के केस में उसकी GST1 फाइल करने में और फिर GST3B में. So 2 team members are just exclusively involved in that thing only, their time.
And with the help of AI, how quickly would you be able to do it?
I don't know, we'll work on it, but it'll save us a lot of time. Maybe अभी हम 20-15 दिन लगते हैं, 5 दिन में हो जाना चाहिए, और maybe even less.
Okay, fantastic.
106 रोज हैं इसमें.
अच्छा.
इसने कंपाइल कर दिया लॉन्ग टर्म पूरा इकट्ठे, फिर टोटल, फिर शॉर्ट टर्म. अब इसमें से मुझे सिर्फ ये जो टोटल्स हैं ये हटाना है, एंड दिस शीट इज रेडी टू बी अपलोडेड इनटू द सॉफ्टवेयर. दैट्स इट.
Wow. Can we have a huge round of applause for Gautam sir, please?
थैंक यू.
Sir, very, very impressive.
थैंक यू.
Thank you so much.